Hi everyone! Today let's take a closer look at the Traveler's Notebook 2021 plastic sheet. The theme of the design is books, so there's a quote on top saying, "With books and your Traveler's Notebook, you can travel anywhere at any time." Well, not quite our current situation, but let's look forward to that day. Just like all TN products, this plastic sheet fits perfectly inside your notebook. Let's take a closer look at the back of the sheet. It has a ruler, which is 20 cm, and it has a grid measuring 1 cm by 1 cm. It is made out of PP, which is very sturdy, so don't worry about breaking it. I personally like to use this plastic sheet as a guide to make sure my handwritings are nice and straight, because mine can be a little bit scribbly. The next product that we'll take a closer look at is the 2021 Traveler's Notebook Clear Folder. I really like this bright orange color with a touch of gold for some of the wordings and design details. This folder can hold the plastic sheet we showed earlier, as well as some loose papers that you like to carry along in your TN. Then just tuck everything in and you're ready to go. Yep, so I hope you enjoyed today's quick video and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!